ngithi akalungi manje mangabe esekhuluma kanjena ngeke abantu bayithathe serious lento ngoba isho Snake kodwa lento ayishoyo iyiqiniso
ukuthi nawe baba uyabanesa kodwa-ke
angithi uma wakho
angiphiki kodwa abamanje umzumbu ufanele bahleli le endlini ebizayo uyabakhokhela mina ukube yimina ngingaba ngibakhokheli abantu abangibalele stress uzoshaya istroke lapho ufe naba kade bakesedini lakho sebeyakujikela ayike lo owasho ngazi isizini bani ukuthi uyagoduka ulokuthi uyagoduka kodwa uhleli lapha endlini ebizayo
yazisile
khona nje wayiloko ethi hayi ngiyahamba mina ngoba futhi number 5 ngiyahamba eloko emseseze so inangithi uyabaspola kakhulu ayinawe baba nomusa nje ulandela igama lakho
yes uyazi sinele ndlela esithembu uyancela
ngeke
kodwa manje wena
engakuncenga impilo yakho uncenge indlela esithembu okubangela inkinga ngeke ungamkhokheli endlini idliwe endlini azibona agoduke befuna ukugoduka noma aphinde emzumbe befuna uphinde emzumbe
uzayimela lento
ngizoyimela
unfortunately ngeke ngingakwazi ukwenza lokho ngoba emakhosikazi nami kunabantu bami amakhosikazi angangiphatha ngendlela ngiphatha ngayo kodwa abantu bami uma ngabe ngivala umpompi bazohlupheka kahle abantu abazongimela labantu engibazalayo ngoba labantu engibalandeli
ngeke bakumele
hayi no
awubona phela bakubo
basicabangela bona
if bengizonda noma bengangizondi angankinga as long as ubaba ebe right ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi uyena sengisele naye umzali wami umuntu ofuna ukuhamba nje ashashwa basakhe ahambe ahlukane nobaba.
As you have seen, fam, Snay is not holding back when it comes to her matters. She feels like her father is spoiling them too much, and Musa agreeing with Snay is the most amazing, not amazing. It's inappropriate, Musa agreeing with Snay. And then going on to say, yes, everything that Snay is saying is the truth. It's just that people won't take it seriously because it is being said by Snay. Hi, bo, bye-bye, K. And one thing that is clear about this conversation is that ain't no way on God's green earth Snay came up with all that she's saying. This is all Sipa gossip. Even the Three Musketeers terminology is a reflection of the gossip from Mamkulu's residence. I feel like Snay is merely repeating things discussed by Mamkulu and her side of the family, including Makwela. That's all. Also involving Snay in this type of conversations is very wrong, like I've said before. Not to mention it encourages disrespect to her mothers. I saw someone mentioning that Snay only feels seen by Musa when she agrees with him, meaning she will do anything for her father's validation. Getting approval from this person she has always wanted it from must be a high she can't resist. And can we also talk about how amazing it is that Snay is the one complaining about the mothers leaving Mzumbe, when she herself can't even stay, even though she had mentioned previously that she'll never leave her home. Y'all remember last season during her confrontation with Mangwabe when she firmly told Mangwabe that Mzumbe is her home, she'll never leave, especially not because of them? And you remember again Mangwabe telling her that, no baby girl, Mzumbe is your home because of us, because we make it a home. If it wasn't for us, this place wouldn't be a home.
Mina ngiyindoda ilemale kakhulu eMzumbe akunamuntu ogadile kwasala uMzumbe ufile.
You remember that, right? Now, it is really amazing that Snay is busy complaining about the homemakers leaving Mzumbe while she herself doesn't even stay in Mzumbe, her home. Also, why doesn't Musa talk about that with his daughter instead of making his wives their topic?
Sengifundile kakhulu kuningi engifundile because uveze abantu abaphenya izinto kwabakhombisa ukuthi labantu laba banjani abanye bakhohliwe abanye bakwedinali baphika bathi lo muntu akenza ngalutho abanye balwa everyday base bangiblock nje bafonini bakakhulumi la
umuntu phela akablock mase yaphuma endlini yakho.
What did you just say? No, seriously, what was that? I need to know.
Hayi siyecela ukuthi ngoba mayihlaza idleki siyoyicela ukuthi wathi umpumelelo ubhuti wakho uyabreaka mhla ngithethisa lapho
Esithethisa kakhulu ke lo
cabanga uthethisa nini
umzali abe
uyabona mhla eshada mesibizile siyofika bengasibizanga futhi nesifike akukho futhi ukuzosikhathaza ngalokho because yena usekhombisile ukuthi asiyilutho kunabantu acabanga ukuthi bawutho.
Umpumela eseyitshela ukuthi uyena ophethe ubaba kanti akufanele akwenze lokho umpumela ngoba ubaba ophethe ofana aphathe umpumela layo umpumela aphathe ubaba.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngicela shuna ngelinye la uthe ku-go home manje mangigula manje.
Ngoba waphinde washawa i-stroke yakusala phakathi nceba uma yakufakela ngaphansi eceleni.
Ana ngikwamukele lo. Asambe sinethe.
Ngiyabonga.
Yeah.
Awuboni nakahle umehlule.
Yeah. Bengazi ukuthi ungithanda kangaphi. Uyangithanda noma?
Ngiyakuthanda.
Uyazi mina anginawo amaqhubu futhi angifuni ukufika la ngisebenzela khona nginento NDDC. I will remain ngifana. Omunye umuntu ukuthi ungiphathe kabi iqiniso lelo and iwumlando leyo. Ngeke sikwazi ukuyijika. Yenzeke kodwa mina kufanele ngangijika at all because akuyona imfundiso yami leyo engafundiswa yona. There is no way ukuthi manje ngashintshwa abantu abangangikhulisanga abangangifundisanga ngenze into engazange ngitshelwe ngibe ngiyodatshwa umuntu ongikhulisile nomfundisile.
And oh boy, the fact that Makumalo blocked him has him so messed up he doesn't even know what to do with himself. The way he keeps bringing that up, you can see it really got to him. Also, that conversation, the way it is weird, it has people saying that this is Macele speaking through Sneh. There's no other explanation for this madness. This is Macele speaking through Sneh. That's it. And one other thing when it comes to Babake is that he will love you and make it seem like he's prioritizing you for as long as you agree with everything that he doesn't say without questions. For as long as Sneh keeps doing this, she will be Babake's favorite child. But should it ever happen that she disagrees with him, oh my God, she's gonna see flames that she has never seen before. And on this note, let's continue in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.